Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this VW Polo. This is a 2009. I'm just gonna show you how you can change the headlight bulb here because the one I have on this side is not working. So I need to change that one there, and I think that is that bulb is a H7. So anyway, I'll have to take it out and we'll have a look. That there is the deep beam, and this is the high beam here, so, or high beam, low beam. So you normally use that there for when you're driving. So anyway, let's give this a go. Okay, so we're going to tackle that bulb from the back of the headlight. So there's the headlight, and the bulb will be hiding behind this cover here. Now that cover should just pull out like so, and in there. Okay, so let's have a look at removing this bulb. If I just close up a little bit there, this bulb, basically you just need to twist it like so, and it should come out. So that's the bulb there. It's a H7, and now we need to pull it out of this socket basically. So I may need my two hands for that. Okay. So I have a new H7 here, and they do recommend not to hold the H7 by the glass itself. So although I'm wearing gloves here, it should be a bit safer, but still I'm trying not to touch it. And then we can go ahead and refit that in there. So with that in, with the new bulb in place, all we have to do now is get that back in there. And it's just a matter of twisting it back in place. So that metal flap there has to go underneath that kind of bolt, and same at the bottom. So sometimes you have to push it down a little bit and twist. But it basically needs to go in there. So let me try and, okay. That's it. That's how it fits back in. So now the bulb is in there. Let's make sure it's working. You can just about see as well. If you see this light here not in a sort of in a line like it is, if it's like a round or a circle or something weird, then you got the light the wrong way around. But anyway, so again, I repeat, it's very simple. You just hold that black thing there, twist it anti-clockwise, it will come out. Pull the bulb out, and then get your new bulb in there, and it's a matter of pushing that back in there and twisting it clockwise, and then obviously you have your cover that fits on top of that, and that's it. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.